In this video, we'll explain what is library and view published sessions. The library is a convenient place to access all your published content organized based on the curriculum. By following these steps, you can easily navigate through the library and view the sessions you need for remedial learning or review. To begin, navigate to the library menu within the Roombr platform. Upon accessing the library menu, click on the Lesson tab, where all your published content is organized. Navigate through the subjects and chapters to find the specific content you're interested in. Click on a particular subject and chapter to view the available sessions. In the Session Detail page, you can view the video along with other pertinent information, such as attached documents and related videos. You can play the video directly from this page. For a more immersive viewing experience, you can switch to full screen mode by clicking on the full screen button.